Tripura Legislative Assembly Speaker Bishwa Bandhu Sen's personal guards were instrumental in the seizure of a large consignment of cannabis and the arrest of 7 suspected smugglers on Saturday. According to reports, the speaker and his guards have been travelling to his home constituency of Dharmapur by train lately. On Saturday, erratic behaviour by a group of fellow travellers from Bihar who shared their compartment on the Humsafar Express prompted the guards to search their belongings. When the bodyguards unzipped one of their bags, cannabis was found. Police were informed and they waited at the Dharmanagar railway station to nab the suspected smugglers from the train.
D3 কোচের মধ্যে গাঁজাগুলো পাওয়া গেছে এবং 7 জন ধরা পড়েছে আর টোটাল মেজারমেন্টের পরে দেখা গেছে অ্যাপ্রক্সিমেটলি 27 কেজি তারা এখন আছে আমাদের হেফাজতেই আছে এটা আগরতলাতে এখান থেকে ইনফরমেশনটা ছিল তারপরে আমরা এখানে ডিটেইন করেছি
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.